Easter event in Grow Garden. Finally, Easter event. If you have missed it, the Easter tree in the middle of the game started dropping a bunch of seeds. Any seed, a lot of seeds. We got seed packs, we got blueberry seeds, pumpkin seed, carrot seeds. I also saw a super seed being dropped from the tree, but sadly I didn't get it. So anyways, we'll be going over to the... Wait, what is that? Raspberry seed? We get the raspberry seed. Wait, so we get some new quests for the Easter shop. Take this golden plant. Show me the shop. Yeah, show me the shop. I want to see the shop. You need 30 kilos of golden plants. Okay, bucko. I'll be getting 30 kilos of golden plants. Because I have the golden tree over here. And once these golden peaches started growing, then I'll be good to go. Yeah, we need some golden trees for this update, and there is some new seeds added into the game. Let me show you all the brand new seeds. We got the grape seed, the vine. The grape seed is the best one. How is mango in stock? Give me one of those. Give me one of those. Okay, we got the mango tree. Watermelons. Alright, so these are the brand new seeds, and there is also, I think the forever pack got reworked. Alright guys, these are all the new update thingamajiggies in the update. I hope you enjoyed the video guys, like the video and subscribe.